The Moral Misanthrope.
Alright, so welcome to or welcome back to the channel, whatever the case may be. I'm a little heated right now. I'm a little angry. I did another reaction video that I just uploaded a little while ago to the new Ozzy song, Straight to Hell, and it got blocked. It got blocked by SME. I don't know why. You know, I've seen other, you know, I did some research, and, you know, there are several other channels that reacted to it, and their video is still up. I don't know why mine got blocked, you know, but I disputed it, and, you know, we'll see what happens. Maybe it'll get unblocked. Who knows? It says that it's blocked in most countries. Apparently there's some countries where it can be seen, but I don't know what those are. So I guess we're just gonna have to react to something else. Now, this came up on my homepage where I'm about to react to. I noticed on my homepage a few days ago, and it was interesting because I saw the thumbnail and I saw the name, and I was like, okay, this is, the name is familiar. I believe one of my patrons has actually suggested this band before, and the thumbnail was just fucking weird. Like, it was weird as shit, and I was like, is this something I want to react to? So it was only a couple of minutes later that I was messaged on the Facebook by this young lady, who also happens to be part of my Dagger gang. I guess it's more of a Dagger cult now. Dagger cult than a Dagger gang. Dagger cult. You know, she suggested that I check it out or react to it. And, you know, at that point, it was just kind of like confirmation. You know, I was like, okay, well, this sounds promising. So I'm going to do a fucking reaction to it. That's what's going to happen. So without any further ado, let's jump into this. This is IGORRR, you know, because it's like 3 R's. IGORRR. Or IGORRR? I think it's IGORRR. It could be IGORRR. I don't know, but the song is called Very Noise. It's a cool song title. Let's see what kind of noise IGORRR is bringing. Again, IGORRR. Very Noise. Fuck me. Okay, this has like a very Aphex Twin vibe to it. Except for the guitar. This is kind of perfect. Like, there's so much going on with, you know, the production, the music, it's like IDM. It's like, you know, some Aphex Twin, Autechre kind of stuff. Venetian snares, like, you know, artists like that, very reminiscent of that. But just the way everything hit, there's so many beats, but like just everything is going with the music perfectly. There's just like all these little catches and sinks and everything that and not like a sink, like, you know, you're gonna wash your hands, but, you know, like a sink, like SYNC, you know, like in sync, but not the boy band and without the N. but it is in sync. IN, not in dash. You know, not like the boy band, as I just said and am currently reiterating. Okay, we're just getting fuck. Oh, that was clever. So it's like the plane said Catwalk Airlines, and then it rolled over, and, you know, and like switch scenes, and it was like his face, but he's wearing like this silver. It's the plane, but it looks like, you know, this silver dress ensemble kind of thing. But he's like strutting it like a catwalk. Catwalk Airlines. That's weird, but I like it. Oh! What the shit? Wait, is this supposed to be like somebody's dreaming? Is that the end of it? Yeah, so that was fucking wild. You know, at the end where it showed, you know, he's on the motorcycle on the ocean, and there's like the clouds and the, you know, darkness, and you can kind of see the light in the horizon, or not horizon, but kind of like just beyond the giant brain. But there was a giant brain and the lightning. You know, and then the whole, like, with the catwalk and the airplane thing, and, you know, to me, it represented, like, a dream. Like, I don't know. That's what the ending kind of gave me, that kind of vibe. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. And, you know, helping the channel grow a little bit, because that'd be cool. And, you know, feel free to support me on the Patreon. There's a link in the description below. And I feel like there was something else. Oh, yeah, check out my fucking merch store. It's cool. Link is also in the description. You know what? Just for shits and fucking giggles, because this was a great electronic fucking video, I'm going to include a link in the description to one of my old mixes that I think you guys might enjoy. You know what? Fuck it. I'm going to throw in a link to 2 different mixes that I think you guys might enjoy. Or I might just do one. I don't know. But if you enjoy dark ambient, you'll really enjoy one of these mixes. And in the meantime, good people of the interweb.